Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to delete recently used business cards in Microsoft Outlook, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command regedit and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, go to H key Current User, Software, Microsoft Office 16.0, Outlook, Profiles, Outlook once again. And under Outlook, you'll find this key which starts with 0A0D. This is basically the first key. Click on it. In the right pane, scroll down to this entry which is 1102039B. It is usually the second last entry. Right click on it, select delete, click on yes, and the business cards list will be gone. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.